Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe from the Konkani cuisine. We'll be seeing how to make patrodo. To prepare this recipe, firstly take 2 to 2.5 cup of raw rice or idli rice and wash and soak this for minimum 2 to 3 hours before further use. Wash and take 20 to 25 fresh and edible taro or colocasia leaf and remove the stem out of them. Further, remove all the prominent veins out of the leaf as shown in the video. Next, take a mixer and into that add the previously soaked raw rice or idli rice, 2 cup of freshly grated coconut, 15 to 20 dry red chili, a lemon sized tamarind and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder along with little water and grind until your fine batter is ready. Make sure the batter is little thick and is of coarse consistency. Now transfer the batter into a container and add 1 teaspoon of asafoetida powder and salt as per taste and mix everything well. Apply the batter thoroughly on the leaves as shown in the video. Once done, fold both the sides inward and roll this tightly and set this aside. Next, take an idli steamer and add 3 cups of water into it. Once the water starts boiling, place the idli mold inverted and place a stainless steel plate on top of it. Spread with a muslin cloth or cotton cloth and place the patrodo and close this with a lid. Now allow this to cook for about 30 to 45 minutes in low to medium flame. Once done, you can insert a knife and if it comes out clean, your patrodo is done. You can allow this to cool down in room temperature for some time. Now your delicious patrodo is done. You can have this as such along with some coconut oil, or you can roast both the sides well on a tawa top with some coconut oil. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.